Welcome to Jordan Morrison Racing. I love cars, motorbikes, anything with an engine.
Right, good morning guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, and today I'm with my good friend Mike, and I met Mike on Ron Haslam Race School, and he basically dropped me a message and he was like, do you want to go on a track day? And I was like, fuck yeah, too right. So I haven't got my van at the moment, and Mike very kindly offered for me to go down in his. So what we did was we came up last night, we stayed over. Well, we loaded the bikes up, stayed over in a nice little B&B just outside of Cadwell Park, and we're just en route now, and the weather is looking sweet. How are you feeling about it?
Nervous.
Are you?
Yeah, I always am.
Well, you've done track days before, haven't you? So
yeah, I mean, I've done this one before. It's just a feeling I go through, I suppose.
Yeah.
Excited though.
So today I'm on CBR600RR, and you're on
Fireblade.
And you've only just got this, haven't you?
Yeah.
So we're
Looking
both
pristine.
Yeah, he's never ridden that bike, and I've never ridden my bike, so it'll be an interesting day. We're both going in the advanced group. No, we're not. We're both going in the novice group. And yeah, we're just going to have a bit of fun with it, not take it too serious, and do what track days are about, having fun. We're not out to set lap times or race anyone. We're out to just learn about it, enjoy it, and yeah, just have a fucking good time. That's it really. So next time I see you, we'll be unloading the van and yeah, just getting ready for the day. Hope you enjoy. I'll do you guys. So we've made it safely at Cadwell Park. We've unloaded the van. We've got the gazebo out just in case it rains, and it's just a bit of shelter because it is an absolute beautiful day. The bikes here are absolutely amazing. There's so much nice stuff, and you literally do feel insignificant straight away, don't you?
Yeah.
You literally feel insignificant compared to some of the stuff here. But we're going to go out and have some fun. We've basically just gone and signed on, and next after that we've just got our safety briefing. We've done noise testing, so we're all good to go. Oh, there we go. Right guys, so we're pretty much ready to go out. Who's gone out first? Inters have gone out first, then it's the advance, and then it's us last. So Mike's getting naked for me right now, and to be honest, pretty nervous. And I've not been on a bike for a year and a half. How are you feeling?
I'm alright now.
Yeah.
I'm alright.
You know what? The bike's running right, everything's going well. So we'll just see how it goes. Wish me luck. First time out. that's it. So basically on the way back now from Cadwell Park, and we've had a fantastic day, haven't we, really?
Yeah,
bloody hell.
Safe,
Safe. That's it. I had a bad start earlier to the day, didn't I?
Yeah.
We found out that the front wheel was wrong way round. Goes to set off, it was the wrong way round with the spacers. It goes to set off, and the bike literally won't move anywhere. Front wheel was like locked. So you managed to get out, didn't you, for the sighting laps? And I was like, damn it, I'm not going to get on today. What's up with my bike? Anyway, sorted it out in about 20 minutes, didn't we? Luckily. So massive help off you there for that. Then I did basically second session for, don't like this at all. I was absolutely shitting it going round. And it's all new, innit? I didn't know what the bike was like. Like I've already told you on the channel, not an experienced rider at all. And how did you find it? You were a bit nervous, weren't you?
Yeah, a bit nervous, yeah. It's more the others, isn't it?
I think by the 3rd/4th session, I started having a bit of fun, and you definitely did, didn't you, a little bit? Weather conditions were mint. Traffic wasn't too busy. To be fair, it wasn't busy for me at all, but speaking to Mike, it wasn't too busy. Didn't have any offs, didn't fall off a bike. I had a little bit of an off, I suppose, but...
Went grass tracking.
Yeah, I went grass tracking a little bit, but I felt like from this morning till now, I've progressed. Because you got behind me, didn't you, near the end?
100%, yeah. Quick up.
But yeah, what do you think about your bike? Because obviously that's the first time you've ridden it.
Yeah, it was nice and it was quick, and you could see it was quick. It was just obviously trying to get in your way.
Right.
I found that it was a lot.
Yeah.
People grouped, weren't they? And
yeah, I think as the day progressed, especially to the sort of dinner onwards, there was more traffic, wasn't there?
Yeah, but in clumps. It was like, and they were all over the track.
And one thing we found, and obviously, like I've already told you, I feel like I'm below novice, but you're slightly novice / intermediate potentially, aren't you? You're looking at going intermediate, but there was 100% intermediate guys on that track day today, on the novice session. There's no doubt in my mind and yours that there was potentially intermediate sort of guys in there.
Well, that guy we was talking to, Nick, he does do inters, so he said, I do inters.
So there you go, So I felt not super slow, but slow as fuck. But that's it. I think, in terms of no limits, great organisation, no problems.
Nope, and you get the voucher.
Yeah, it's got a little voucher, so if we get 6 track days, I think with no limits, we get 75 quid off.
Yeah.
So my plans for now, I mean, you've already booked 2 track days, haven't you already?
Yeah.
I think my plan is to book a track day and get some tuition. I need to get some tuition. That's going to be more beneficial than changing anything on my bike. You know, rather than getting a quick shifter, or I need some tuition. Yeah. But you, like you said, you got behind me and you could see the progression through the day. But that's it. Weather couldn't have been any more perfect. No one crashed, no one died. Happy days.
Exactly.
But yeah.
Good day.
Good day. But that's it. Hope you enjoyed it anyway. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And that's it. Bye.
See ya. Bye.